I hope you have as much fun completing this exercise as I did making it. I did some research on the different browsers that have been used over the years,
This video is brought to you by Oppie Pies Academy.
going way back to 2002 up to 2015. And way back in 2002, for example, the AOL America Online browser was 5%, Internet Explorer was 83, and Netscape was 8. If we look at more modern times, Internet Explorer is down to 7, and then Firefox and Chrome are the more significantly used browsers. In any case, I thought this would make an interesting table and a great way for you to practice your table HTML and CSS. So this version you see here in the activity, I completed using Excel. And this one is coded using HTML and CSS for the design. So your job is to code the table exactly as you see here, so it has the data exactly as it appears in this table, and then use CSS to try and be a little more creative than I am here to create a table that's both usable, meaning that the viewers can see it and understand it, and attractive. Good luck. The instructions will take you through step by step. Hey, when you're done, I'd like to see what your table looks like, so feel free to post it to the forum.